Hello guys, welcome to this new video. I haven't been making videos for a long time, so I wanted to make this video with actually the game I'm working on. So I'm making this game in Unity, and I'm making this game no coding, almost without coding, but who knows, I might like to need some coding maybe in the later, so which I might take a small assistance from ChatGPT maybe, because I don't know coding. But right now I'm going pure no code, and this is a game I'm working on. This little dude here, okay, of course you can't see what he looks like now, so let me show you what's the game. So this is the game. This is the cat character, you see, this chubby little cat, almost like a Garfield kind of thing. But we have this platformer actions here. I even edit the double jump. Check it out. Whoa. And now I have a flashlight. Okay. So flashlight here, and turn it off. He's back to regular walking, and I have the gun. Whoa, look at that. We have the gun also. Okay. So he will be able to shoot the zombies, the demons, the ghouls, whatever you like. This is going to be a small, how can I say, a little bit goofy haunted house game. That's what I'm working on with this character. I am taking the maybe not sure the basis for this game from the the first person horror movies not the movies, first person horror games you see, especially on the app stores, like those granny games. You pick up the object, go there, use that. I mean, I'm not gonna have how can I say, like the inventory kind of thing in this game. I'm just gonna have the him pick up the object, bring there, use it, that kind of thing. And so this is the gameplay, and as you can see, if he goes to the right of the room, the camera rotates a little bit to the right. So I did this so the player can see what's going on in here. I might even add some puzzles maybe on the wall. So, and if he comes here, the door opens to the right, and if as he leaves, the door shuts down, and if he comes here, the door shut. This is the way. So the way I did this is, let me show you what's going on in here. Basically what's happening is the Unity calculates the position of the door and the player at that time, and if the player is on the left side of the door, it opens up to the other side, to the minus 90 degrees, and if the cat is on the right side of the door, it opens up to the 90 degrees, not minus 90, opens up to the other side, so you don't get blocked by the door, like touching you. That's what I'm trying to do in the game. And the way I do is, let me show you. Like I told you, I'm not using any coding, so I'm using a node-based coding, I should say. It's a visual scripting, like the Unity has, but it's a different. It's a Playmaker, probably you know it, not to mention, but so this is the way I do. So the player has an invisible interaction box in front of him. Okay, I did this because I didn't want the, how can I say, the players like go and touch the door, trying to open up. I didn't want to make it like too forced, to make it easy. So we have this box here, invisible. Okay, so as the, oops, sorry, that's from my mouse scroll. It's too sensitive, guys. It's flying around. And here, so what's happening is it's triggering with that box, and when it's interacting, when it's enter, it's as it interacts, the sooner it interacts, it gets the position of the door, and it gets the position of my game object variable, actually, my player. I save him player game object here as a global variable, so I can use it anywhere I want in the game. So I set it up from the beginning. Okay, and now, then, not now, it compares the positions. Okay, the X position of the cat and the door. So if the cat's position is less than the, how can I say, the door opens up to the other side, to the minus degree, sorry, if less than minus 90 degree. Okay, and if it's greater than minus 90, this is like 90 and this is minus 90. Okay, so I should do like that, sorry. Okay, So as we can see now, when finished, the door's rotation sets to 0 degrees. Okay, and that's how I set it up. Probably, you know, you might have imagined already how it should be set up, but I still wanted to show you. And so I'm gonna make this game room by room, and not sure if I want to make this whole like a full adventure, or you know, just an action game like the Cuphead. Maybe just shoot the stuff and go from room to room and finish the game, trying to finish the traps and things. I'm still not sure, but I want to make it as fun as possible. I really like you hope the you know my progress. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy game developing, guys. Bye bye.